This is a website that I have been building for months, and here this is basically a teaching website. I mean, a teaching brand, English teaching brand here in local place. And as you can see on this page, English to Bengali word meanings, and we added this little icon. So if we click,
mongoose,
it should read that word aloud.
mongoose,
So this is not just JavaScript or basic browser speech synthesizer thing. It's really a Microsoft service. So we are using Microsoft Azure TDS service to do this. So the sound is coming from Microsoft server. We have implemented that on this website. So the thing is, if I just keep going, this particular word, live and sometimes live. So this is the problem, because the word here, the meanings, two meanings that I used, I put Bengali meanings, both of them go with the live pronunciation, not live pronunciation of the word. But now, previously, before fixing this, when I checked, so it pronounces, it reads aloud the word as live, which is a little bit not expected here. The pronunciation that is expected here is live instead. So now, if we hit the icon, live, so this is we are not happy with that. And now let's talk about, this is not on the front page of vocabulary. Okay, as you can see here, this is page number 7. Before this, we have 6 different pages of other words. So when a visitor visits the vocabulary page, on that first page of vocabulary, which has 10 words, just like this page, and live is not there, meaning this little issue could be skipped. People, even as a web developer, if I went like, well, I think the website owner is not going to like check this much, okay? And even if he does and comes back to me, I'm gonna have something to say, okay? So I don't have to blame myself for this. Now, I think more than 50% of web developers or website builders, I mean, who are building websites for you, could go this way, just hiding it, okay, from you as the owner of the website. But SA's Web Solution does not, Shakhat Hussain does not, and that's why we have to care, and we have to, like, we had to go to ChatGPT to know whether or not we have any customizing situation or feature for Microsoft TDS, Azure TDS, so we can customize it so the word does not pronounce as live, it pronounces as live, which is the expected pronunciation for the two words here. So I went to ChatGPT and learned about it, and thanks to Microsoft Azure, I love Microsoft anyway. I love Microsoft's products, including this browser. So there is ways, and it's very customizable. Okay, you can change the voyage. You can even the speech rate. I mean the slow or fast. Those things you can also like customize, and pretty much it's this fantastic thing. Now I will show you. So I'm going to like skip here because I'm not going to show you the code, because that code is not a matter, but there is on that page there is some other like code which is confidential. But anyway, now I have that particular piece of code that customized this, so it pronounces like live. I commented out just to show you what it ought before, how it was before. Now what we will do, we will just take off that comment so it can function, and you'll see the solution of this. So we have done that. So we did that on the page that Azure tts.php. Hope you can see there that page. So now I think we have reloaded the page as well. Now if we go live, so now it's fine. Now the reason of like sharing this thing with you is, one of the reasons is that to show you how much we care. You might not know, you might like skip maybe a particular thing on your website. It's very unlikely to catch your attention, but still then we know what's going on as web developers. And if our like tagline is ensuring the quality of websites, we can't skip this thing, no matter how much time or how much effort or how much brain work we need to have to do this. So showing that, and also saying that it's true there. Now the way I did it, it's manually, like with PHP code we did it. And a lot of people who are building websites, some of them don't even know how to do this. Maybe they are going to have to hire someone for this because they don't know coding, they don't know the languages of web development. All they know is the tool, how a tool works. So that's one thing. And there will also be people who will be like, I mentioned, I explained already about them, those types of people who are kind of in that particular sense lazy. They are going like, oh, it's just a single word, and life is also a like genuine pronunciation, but maybe that is not going with these two meanings here. Okay, they will go, oh, leave that. Client just paid me this much. We can't do more than that. We can't spend any more time here. So let's just leave it as it is. So there will be these types of web developers as well. So just to show you and it's just like sharing what we are doing and how we are doing.